Morning, everybody. Yesterday's truck race, we seen a winner out of Corey Heim. Nothing new there. We know how he does in the trucks. That was my pick for the week, though, so congrats to Corey. It was a pretty good race overall, passing in multiple grooves. Christopher Bell kind of dominated the first half of the race, but towards the end, we've seen multiple movers. Carson Hocevar, Caden Honeycutt, Corey Heim, Chandler Smith were bouncing around. Carson Hocevar looked like he was going to make a good strategy out of that two-tire stop at the end, but just couldn't hold off Heim, who made a late pass after Hocevar had something stuck in his grill, slowing him down. But overall, just a great race, great job, great drive for Corey, and let's see what we got for Cup today.